What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a website that can allow you to use your internet, your unused internet, as a way to earn you a passive income. So the website is called honeygain.com, and it has a pretty good rating on Trustpilot, and it is a way in which you can be able to share your data, your unused internet per se, and be able to earn yourself a good passive income on the side. So basically, if you were to estimate your earnings, this would depend on how many devices you connected to Honeygain, of which you can connect your desktop computer, your laptop, your Mac, and of course you can also do Android and iOS. So it's available on pretty much all the platforms. So if we were to estimate your possible earnings, now let's say let's do a worst case scenario. You shared 5 GB of daily traffic on across all your devices. So this would make you like $46 a month, which that can pay for your Netflix subscription and whatever other subscription you have. That's just a good side income to have for just sharing your internet. So basically what you would have to do is you just head over down in the description and get the link. This was the bonus for sticking till the end of the video. If you sign up with the link down below, you get $5 starting gift from Honeygain. So that's way you'll always be halfway there, so you'd have very little to do to be able to make that cash out. So you can download this for Windows. As I said before, you can download for Mac and Android, and it doesn't really consume that much power, so you won't have a drain on your devices. It will just be running in the background. You won't even notice the app is running. So go ahead. I was pretty excited for this. I hope you guys are too. So go ahead and sign up and start making some passive income on the side. That's it for this video. Check out one will be popping up in the left side, and be sure to subscribe. Peace.